2010 Acadia. We have a problem with the selection on the HVAC heating and air conditioning unit. The selection will be going floor or the defrost or in the vents. System works, and heat and cold selection works fine, but this one here, when you select where do you want the air to come out from, it does not. Try to remove the fuse and try to have the system reset itself. It is not doing it, so I will go ahead and replace the actuator to this somewhere on this wall, so you can go to remove the club box and anything to go under it. So I have the part, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. This is the fuse box, it's under the glove box. The fuse for the HVAC is 15A right there. Okay, the fuse check out good. So this is the new actuator. It's held on by three, I believe, T20. It's not an easy job to put your hand in here and try to work. These edges here are very sharp. Try to drop down the cover from under, the blower cover. This is what we're looking for right here. So it's uncomfortable because you lay upside down into the car. Okay, here it comes. I don't know if it's broken or not, but I got a new one just to test it. They look alike. Find the way up. Okay, I believe it's in. The balls are aligned. Good. In there. And that will be it. So I'm going to work on getting the screws back in. Okay, the new actuator was done. You don't expect to be easy. You get a few cuts in your hands to get in there. Now a moment of truth. We're going to see if on the top there will be rotating. That means working. It was not rotating before. I'm talking about that part right there. We'll have to see it rotate. You go, all the settings working. I keep on turning the knob from here, like so. You can see the glove. Before it was doing nothing. We're going to go on the top, at the first part. Oh yeah, everything is working fine. So change the setting again. You can see that rotation. Very good, all fixed. So we're just going to install the cover. Okay, installing the glove box. Okay, the Acadia actuator for the heating and air conditioning is complete. Everything is good, the car is working, problem fixed. Good luck to you guys.